Hi, my name is Keith Barrett, founder and president of Vesta Settlements. We're talking about a topical stroll here through our residential real estate contract, and in this particular video we're talking about the settlement paragraph. Settlement paragraph is pretty straightforward. This paragraph has a blank line in which the parties will identify on what date they want to settle. Now, the contract actually says with mutual consent on or before this particular date. So it's certainly possible, if the parties agree, that they can close prior to the date identified in this particular paragraph. But to be clear, and the most important thing to understand about this paragraph is that whatever date is selected becomes a hard deadline, because later on in our contract there's a provision that talks about time is of the essence. And time is of the essence really makes this a hard deadline. Why is that important? Because unless you have a viable legal excuse to get out, like the contract's void, or the other party breached the contract, or you have mutually signed a written addendum extending the closing date, unless you have one of those things, you must close on that date. Otherwise, someone's going to be in default. So that's very, very important. There's also some bolded language there. We have certain parts of our contract that are simply taken right out of Virginia statute, and this paragraph is one of those paragraphs. It talks about the buyer's right to choose their settlement agency, which is a right that Virginia law gives to buyers when they are looking to close on a real estate transaction. Hope that's helpful. Look out for the next video.